If your listing expired or your house didn't sell, I understand your frustration. You want to get this done. So let's figure out what really happened. The first one here is a big one. If you price too high, it may have turned your buyers away. I know you want to make as much as possible, but we gotta be realistic too. Next, was it an easy tour? I know it's a pain in the butt, but being able to show the house at the moment's notice goes a long way. And if you're not flexible on this, buyers will see something else. Think about whether it was really set up to make a good impression. Did you stage it? Did you tackle those tiny repairs before listing or hope buyers would take those themselves? Little details do matter. And last, were you able to negotiate? If you weren't willing to play ball, the buyers will walk away in today's market. If you're trying to decide whether to relist your home, let's have a conversation. Give me a call at 773-550-4846 and let's figure out where to go from here. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I've served the Chicagoland and suburbs. I am here. Let's figure it out.